Hello, my dear students of Beacon High School. Today we are going to learn how to make a Santa Claus hat. The hat Santa Claus is depicted as wearing is a stocking cap. A traditional stocking cap has a conical shape, is long and normally features a pom-pom or tassel at the end. So today we will learn the stocking cap or Santa Claus cap in a easy way. So let's start the work. To make a Santa Claus cap, we need a requirement: red color paper, white color paper, cutter, scale, scissors, pencil, cotton and Fevicol. Here I took a red paper. The measurement is 30 by 30 centimeter. After taking the square paper, we are going to fold it in a cone shape. Just these two right and left corner, we are going to bring it together here, and we are going to overlap the corners on one another. So first we will apply the Fevicol on both the sides, and then we will stick that one in a cone shape. So just apply the Fevicol. Just apply the Fevicol in one side, and we are going to fold it in a cone shape. Check the corners. Corners are very important while pasting on one another. We are going to paste that one slowly. Hold it, let the Fevicol dry. Like this, our cone shape is ready now. Now this extra part which is coming, we are going to cut that one with the scissor or with the cutter. You can cut it. You can fold it here a little bit, and you can see the line. Just take a scale and draw that line with the pencil, and we are going to cut that extra part. Just draw the line and cut it. Remove it. Now open this cone shape and again fold in other direction, and this extra part you will get now here, this side also. So just hold the corner to corner neatly, and this corner and this corner you are going to hold the scale so that the downside round shape it will be exact. Just draw a line there and cut this part also. This way we will cut the part so that we will get a round shape down. Now here our cone shape is ready. Now take a white paper, and this white paper we are going to cut a strip of 4 centimeters. So with the scale you are going to take a measurement 4 centimeter, and we are going to cut the strip. So just mark 4 centimeter. A big strip we are going to take of white paper. Just now after marking you are going to draw a line, and you are going to cut the strip with the help of cutter or scissor. Now here our white strip is ready. Now fold this strip in center, and again one more fold. After that, on one side you are going to give a small cuts here like this. In this way, small cuts. You can take a measurement of 1 centimeter, and you can cut a small strips like this, so that we can decorate the cap. After that, open the strip, and then just take a pencil, and you are going to give a turn to the small strips which we have made. You can roll it like this. In this way you can do it with the pen or pencil. Any round shape you can take, and you can roll it. Or here our white strip is ready. Now we are going to paste that one on the cap. From the center we are going to start. So first apply the Fevicol and just go on pasting this one after pasting a white strip here, it will look like this. Instead of paper, you can use cotton also if you want. Then after that, just come to the top side. We are going to press it here, and we are going to give one small fold here for the cap. In this way, we will give a small fold here. Just press it with your fingers, and then after that, take a cotton, make a ball of that one. In this way, make a ball of that, and with the help of Fevicol, you are going to apply Fevicol here and just paste the ball on the top. In this way, you will paste the ball. Just hold it to get it dry. Here our Santa Claus cap is ready. You can make it at home for your family, for your friends, and just enjoy the Christmas holidays. Merry Christmas. Bye. Thank you.